So how do you make it run? First and foremost, let's talk about where exactly you can download the VS Code, right? So I'll share this link with you. For those of you who have not done this, right? You can download the VS Code from this website, depending on what is your operating system, right? You download it for Mac, Linux, or Windows, and make sure you have access to this, right? Now, next, after you've downloaded it, we will then be installing the Copilot extensions in the VS Code extensions marketplace, and we will sign in using our GitHub account, right? And then we will test few of the things in this, right? So I have VS Code already installed on my machine, right? So this is how the VS Code looks like, right? And this is what is the chat version. But for those of you who don't see the chat after you've installed it, go to extensions, search for GitHub Copilot, click on this and install. You would see a option to install it. Just install it from here, right? So install it and you will see a similar chatbot, a chat box coming in here on the right hand side, right? So this is how you install it. Now, after you've done this, let's create a simple notebook and just see. Let me create a new file, say test.py. I'll create it here. So I've created a file here, right? Now, let's see how exactly you can use it, right? So let me just type a function, say, type a comment, key, function to find whether a number is even or odd, right? Now, you see, I start getting the code suggestions directly from GitHub Copilot. If you're not getting it, just press Control I and you will start getting those suggestions, right? So if you do it, right, just press tab and it will generate it for us, right? Now I want to test it, so I can test it directly by calling this. So this is called inline completion, right? This is called inline completion. I am completing things using the GitHub code itself. It's the Copilot who's doing it for me. See, I just wrote a line of comment and other things. Copilot did it for me, right? Now, whenever I install Copilot, very important for those of you who are doing it for the first time, whenever you install it, you will have to log into GitHub, right? So what is GitHub? GitHub is essentially a website that is used for storing your repo. So if you are coming in for the first time, just sign up. It is free of cost. You don't need to pay anything. Just log into GitHub and you will start seeing the option here, right? You will see it here. Now, very important. This is not the application that we are coding. We just want to see how exactly the setup is done and if things are working fine or not. See, it wrote the function for me. So Copilot is working fine for me, right? Before I jump on to other things, let me talk about the pricing part of it, right? So GitHub Copilot basically comes in 3 tiers, free tier, pro tier, and pro plus. As of now, pro and pro plus are unavailable. So you can only use the free tier for it. So we will be using free tier where we get 50 agent mode and 2000 completions per month. So the one that we did as an example was a completion, right? This was a completion. And if I write something here, that would be a agent code, right? So I can do either an agent code or a completion using my GitHub Copilot. Now, how do I check whether I've reached 50 or whether I've completed 2000? Just go to an icon here and you see the limits that you have, right? So I've used 6% of inline suggestion and 32% of chat messages. So out of 50, 32% are gone. Roughly 16 I've used, right? And inline suggestion out of 2000, 6% I've used, right? So this is how you can track your usage, right? So this is around the setting up of GitHub.